Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another Propaira product. Propaira is an Australian clinical skincare brand. And this one is the DNA Resilience Liposomal Cream. And this product contains 5 active ingredients. Yeah, it's a lot. 5 active ingredients. The first one is the Acetyl Zingarone, which is an extract from ginger. The second one is forskolin. Forskolin is almost like the latest and greatest in the skincare industry. It's a bioactive compound that is extracted from the forskolin plant. And the other is photolyase, and then it's astaxanthin. If you have been following me, you know that I'm a big fan of astaxanthin. And lastly, but not the least, is niacinamide. Standard Propaira packaging, and this one is blue with the yellow cap. It's quite attractive. And all of Propaira's products come in this 30 ml plastic container. So as you can see, the color of this very, very soft cream is peachy. It's got a peachy tone to it. I would call this a soft serum rather than a cream. Very soft, quite watery, so it's easily absorbed into your skin. And the scent is very neutral. There's definitely no perfume. Propaira's products doesn't contain any perfume, alcohol, sulfate, paraben, and so forth. And I would say right now, this is an absolutely fabulous product. And this is their daytime DNA product. So you use this during the day. Propaira also has another DNA Resilience that you use at night. And that other one has got retinaldehyde. So let's talk about the ingredients. First of all, the Acetyl Zingarone, as the name would indicate, is an extract from ginger. So Acetyl Zingarone is actually called an omni-antioxidant in the sense that it can do a lot of function. It's a multi-functioning antioxidant. So number one, Acetyl Zingarone can get rid of environmental stresses, any oxidative stress in your body, in your cellular level. Secondly, it can help to repair any damage done by oxidative stress onto your skin. It can also nurture your skin, keep your skin healthy, protect your skin at the cellular level. It can also diminish pigmentation, fake dark spots, age spots, and sunspots. So yeah, the other ingredient in this product is the photolyase. Photolyase is enzymes that are found in plants and bacteria. And these enzymes in laboratory studies have been found to repair any cells that has been damaged from exposure to UV ultraviolet lights. So these are repairing enzymes, and they work at the DNA and cellular levels. The other powerful active ingredient in this product is forskolin. And forskolin is a bioactive compound that has been derived from the root of the Coleus forskoli plant. The Coleus forskoli plant is a member of the lavender and mint group of plants. And what laboratory studies have found that they have huge antioxidant and anti-aging skincare benefits. So the active ingredient in the Coleus forskoli plant is called forskolin. It has the ability to repair damage that has been done by exposure to UV sunlight. It acts like a bit of a shield over your skin. And forskolin is also seen to fade pigmentation, melasma, and dark spot. So the combination of these 5 active ingredients in this product, I mean, is exceptional. The price for this is 60 Australian dollars for the 30 ml. It only comes in one size, which is the 30 ml. You really can't beat that for such an exceptional product. And I have started to see my skin is a lot brighter and clearer after using this product for a week. I'm not seeing more dark spots and age spots forming onto my skin. What I could see is just a brightening, lightening, and clarity on my face. Yeah, I really swear by this. Yeah, this is an excellent daytime serum. Yes, thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!